guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I thought we would kind of sit down with a Gumdrop, my Robo hamster, and I thought we would do like a little taming session and kind of talk about his taming process, I guess. I know that a lot of you guys keep asking me about how his taming is coming along, and again I'm gonna say it has been a very slow process, but I have been making a little bit of progress. Yeah, that has been going pretty well. Again, I don't want to like force him to do anything, you know, if that's gonna like cause him to be stressed or anything, but I have managed to get him out of the cage for a little bit of playtime, a little bit of floor time, and he seems to really enjoy that. So I recently, when I had ordered my new cage for Biggie Smalls, it came in like this really big box, and I actually kept the lid of that box to use as a playpen because I just thought it was like the perfect thing. Go and make like a homemade one. So that is what you guys are going to be seeing today, or if you are wondering where I got this box from, it was from the cage, and it's been working really well. So I'm going to flip the camera around. We're going to go ahead and get Gumdrop out of the cage and just have a little taming session on camera. It is actually a lot later in the evening, and as you can see, he is just running around kind of exploring. Usually I will keep him out for around 10 to 15 minutes, and the more comfortable he gets with being out of the cage, I might extend it for like a little bit longer, but for now we're just kind of keeping it to 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, during that process what I will just do is just kind of keep my hands within the playpen, let him kind of get used to my hands, like smelling them or whatnot. And the treats that I tend to use with him are the mealworms, because I think those are probably his favorite right now at the moment. Sometimes when I try to give him a different treat, he won't come up to my hand, but with the mealworms, he usually always does go for them. Yeah, that is basically what I do. I usually take him out of the cage at least once a week. And the reason why I only take him out once a week rather than, you know, every night or every other night, because I really don't want to like stress him out, and I don't want to like scare him, because sometimes I do notice that he might be a little scared still. Obviously he's not, you know, tame yet. But basically what I'm trying to do is just gradually get him used to, you know, coming out of the cage and having a little bit of floor time. You know, I feel like it's gonna be a longer process with him. It's definitely getting there, but it's just taking a very long time, which is totally fine. I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna be actually able to hold him. You never know though, maybe like, you know, a year down the road, he will let me hold him. But even if I'm not able to like hold him at some point, that's totally fine too. I still want to give him the best life possible, you know, and even if that means I never get to hold him, so that's totally fine. Ever since I started to take him out of the cage like once a week, now obviously I didn't have this setup. I had a different playpen at the time, but I can definitely see a progress happening, you know. So yeah, that is just basically what I do. So it is a very slow process. I think that in the long run it will help him to be able to trust me a little bit more. So yeah, I am definitely looking forward to that at some point, someday. I do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. It's always fun when you have like that one-on-one time with your hamster, and I'm just glad that Gumdrop was able to get out of the cage a little bit and have some fun exploring and running around. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye!